Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to install DeepSeek on Windows PC step by step. Whether you are working on AI, search indexing, or coding tasks, this guide will get you up and running fast. DeepSeek is an advanced open source AI tool commonly used for code generation, natural language search, or retrieval tasks. It's often based on large language models or fine-tuned transformers. You can run DeepSeek locally for testing, development, or research. And in this video, I will walk you through the Windows setup. Before installing, make sure your system meets these requirements. Windows 10 or 11 and 64-bit. At least 8 GB RAM, 16 GB or more recommended. Python.3.10 plus installed. Git installed, optional. CUDA compatible GPU for model acceleration. Let's install the tools we need. Install Python. Visit python.org, and download Python latest version like Python 3.13.3. Scroll down and click downloads, then click Python, download Python, and click save. During setup, check add Python to path. After installing, confirm it works by typing Python version in command prompt like that. Version, then enter. Or you can search how to find Python version and cmd. Just type minus version. Or this command. Copy the command from your web. Then install Python and click add Python.exe to path. Now install Git. Go to gitscm.com and download Git for Windows. Click Downloads section. Use default settings. Click Windows. Next, we'll download the DeepSeek files. Open the command prompt after installing Git. Now install the Git application. and click next, next, and next. Now open command prompt. After install, confirm it works by typing open command prompt and type Python version like that. Next, we will download the DeepSeek files. Open command prompt, choose or create a working folder, or create a working folder, copy the code and paste in your command prompt. Your DeepSeek folder is created like that. Now open command prompt, then click enter. Now copy this code, git clone https github.com and deepseek ai deepseek.git cd, then copy, then paste here, click paste anyway. Now it's cloning into DeepSeek. Now sign into your GitHub account. Or create an account, like enter your email address, password, click login or sign in button, or sign up with your Google account. Just go to GitHub, click sign up, enter your email address, strong password, then select your region or country, then receive occasional product, then continue. Now verify your account with Visual Puzzle, or go to DeepSeek, log into your account and click the three dot icon, click the cast save and share, then click install page as app, then click install. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, and I will see you in the next one.